Hi students, welcome to mathematics session, and today's session we will focus in Necta 2012 Form 2 Basic Mathematics. So far in this channel we have solved the different exams, and I think you can go to the playlist of this channel so that you can go through the other examination sessions. So the instructions of this exam is not different from others. The only point to be noted here, actually the format of this exam is the old one, whereby students were doing two sections, section A and section B. The type of questions you are going to see here, they are questions actually which are questions within the format of Form 2 syllabus. The only difference is that the current syllabus, the current format of exam, you are going to find there only 10 questions. So let us start solving the questions. So question number 1 in section A, we're supposed to calculate the average or prime numbers between 80 and 100. So first of all, we have to determine prime numbers between 80 and 100. Between 80 and 100. So you know that the prime numbers after 80, 81 is not one of them, 83 it is one of them, 87 not one of them, only 89, 91 not one of them, 93 neither, 95, 97, so 97 it is one of them also. So average of these three numbers is, you take 83 plus 89 plus 97, then you divide by 3. When you add these numbers, 87 plus 83 plus 97, the result is 267 divided by 3. When you divide it by 3, you get when you divide it by 3, you get 89. I'm sorry, here it is 269. 269 divided by 3, you are going to get 89.67. 89.67. That is a solution for question number 1. Question number 2, express 0.405 as a fraction in its lowest term. This is a repeating decimal, so you have 0.405. You can say, let's assume xc, let x be 0.405. Repeating decimals. To eliminate those three decimal places, you multiply by 1000. So 1000 xc will be equal to 405.405. Mind you, these are repeating. Then we are going to subtract these numbers. Equation 1 subtract to equation 2. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. We get 99 or 999 xc equals to 405. So xc is 405 divided by 999. Let us check. Actually, when you divide 405 by 9, 405 divided by 9, you get 45. uh, divided by 111, and 111 can be divisible, it is divisible by 3, of course. So 45 divided by 3, you get 15, and 111 divided by 3, you get 37. Therefore 0.405 repeating equals to 15 over 37. So that is solution for question number 2. We go to question number 3. Find the value of k and q if x squared plus 8x plus q equals to x plus k squared. First of all, we are going to expand this one here, then we are going to compare with the other equation. So we can say that x squared plus 8x plus q equals to x plus k. It is equal to x squared plus 2kx plus k squared. This is x squared plus 8x plus q. So now we are going to compare. So by comparison, the coefficient here 8x, the comparison here 8 equals to 2k, so we are going to say 8 equals to 2k. So you can see that k, it is 8 over 2 equals to 4. And what about q? Q equals to k square, which is 4 square equals to 16. Therefore, we can say that q equals to 16 and k equals to 4. That is solution of question number 3. Question number 4. A wire of 48 centimeter long is bent to form a square. So a wire having length of 48 centimeter, it was bent to form a square. And this is our imaginary square here. And maybe the length of the side of this square is xc. We know that the total length is going to be our perimeter, which is 48 centimeter. We're supposed to find the value of x, the side of the square. So perimeter, you know that it is 4 times one side of the perimeter. So we can say that 48 centimeter equals to 4xc. So xc is 48 divided by 4. Xc equals to 12 centimeter. So you can conclude that the length of this square now is 12 centimeter. Question number 5. Write 1259 in standard form corrected to 2 significant figures. So we have 1259 to standard form. This is going to be 1.259 times 10 power 3. Mind you, the standard form is a times 10 power n, but a is less than 10 and a is greater or equal to 1, of course. So, but also we have to express it into 2 significant figures. So this will be 1.3 now times 10 power 3. It is now corrected to 2 significant figures and also written in standard form. Question number 6. Given that log 2 is 0.3010 and log 3 is 0.4771, we have to evaluate log 1.5. So we are supposed to find log 1.5. So log 1.5 is log 3 actually over 2. By using laws of logarithm, this is log 3 minus log 2, and the log 3 actually is 0.4771 minus 0.3010. So when you subtract this, the result 1 minus 0, 1, 7 minus 1, 60, 7 minus 0, 7, 4 minus 3, 1. We have 0.1761. This is our final result. We go to question number 7. Dear students, question number 7 says, a man can paint a door in 1.25 hours. How long will he take to paint 18 doors? So we can say that actually one door, a man can paint one door in 1/4 hours. So 18 doors will be equivalent to what time? Hours. T hours. So we can say that actually T will be equal to 18 T will be 18 times 1/4 hours. So T will be 18 times 5/4. You simplify, it is actually it is 90 divided by 4. You get 22.5 hours. So it means 18 doors will be painted in how many hours? Will be painted in 22.5 hours. Thank you. Next question number 8. It is a star operation. A star B equals to AB plus 3B minus 2A. So if you are given 5 star P, 5 star P, 5 star P, it means this is A and that is B. We can say that this is equal to 5B plus 5P plus 3P minus 2 times A, which is 5, and the result now equals to 20. So you have 8P minus 10 equals to 20. From here we can say that 8P equals to 30 divided by 8 by 8. P will be equal to, so you take 30 divided by 8, it is 3.75. So the value of P, dear students, is 3.75. The next question, if A power 2n equals to 8, evaluate 2A power 6n plus 100. So we were given A power 2n equals to 8. So 2A power 6n plus 100, we can say that it is 2A power 2n then power 3 plus 100. It is 2 times Alhamdulillah, 8 power 3 plus 100. You know that 8 power 3, it is 512 times 2, you get 1024 plus 100, you get 1124. So the value actually evaluation of this expression here is 1124. Question number 10. How many subsets are there in a set having three elements? How many subsets are there in a set having three elements? I think you know that I'm going to use formula here, but for you to understand this formula, I'm going to give you a very simple case. For example, set A has set values 1, 2, 3. How many subsets? The possible subsets, of course, subset empty set, it is one of them. Then 1, 2, 3. Then you have 1, 2, 1, 3. Then you have 2, 3. Then you have 1, 2, 3. So you see, total number of subsets you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is 2 power 3. So general formula, number of subsets generally number of subsets it is actually 2 power 3, which is equal to 8. We just use this sample here to give you idea of how we can get the number of subsets. Question number 11. Two families shared equally 800 kilograms of rice. How many grams did each family get? So if we are talking of two families, it means 800 kg were divided to two families, and the result is going to be 400 kg per family, which is equal to now 400 times 1000 gram, because 1 kg, we know that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram per family. So the result is 400,000 gram per family. We go to next question, question number 12. Find the x in degree in the following figure not drawn to scale. Okay, good. So we're supposed to find the value of x. So actually we can use straight line formula that 6x equals to 180 degree. Over here we're going to get x, it is 180 divided by 60, which is equal to 30 degree. Or you can add all angles, 6x plus x plus 3x plus 2x equals to 360, and eventually you are going to get the same results here, dear students. Question number 13. Write the algebraic expression x minus 2 in the bracket y plus x plus 3y in a simple form and state the coefficient of x and y. So we are going to combine terms. We are going to say it is x minus 2y minus 2x plus 3y. Collect like terms now. X minus 2x, you get negative x. Negative 2y plus 3y, you get plus y. So coefficient of x is negative 1. Coefficient of y is +1. Question number 14. A businesswoman borrowed 5 million shillings from a bank. The bank charged an interest of 15% per annum on the principal. How much interest did she pay at the end of 2 years? So we were given principal 5 million, 5 million shilling, and we were given that the rate is 15% and time is 2 years. Okay, so we are looking for simple interest. Actually, it is PRT over 100. Simple interest is equal to 5 million times 15 times 2 over 100. So 15 times 2, 30. 30 times 5. Let us cancel 2 zeros here and these 2 zeros. So you have 30 times 5, you get 150. So I will be 150. Then how many zeros? We have 4 zeros remain. So actually interest will be 1,500,000 shilling. This is the interest. Question number 15. Solve for x. We're supposed to solve for x. We were given equation. Here is the equation. X plus 5 over 2 minus 3x minus 5 equals to 1 over 3. The easiest part here is, this is 1. You multiply by LCM of 2, 1 and 3, which is 6. So you can multiply by 6. I can say 6 in the bracket, x plus 5 over 2 minus in the bracket 3x minus 5 equals to 1 over 3 times 6. If we do that, we get 3 here in the bracket, x plus 5 minus 6 in the bracket 3x minus 5, the other side equals to 2. Now we open the bracket, 3x plus 3x plus 15 minus 18x plus 30 equals to 2. 3x minus 18x, you get negative 15x. Then you have 15 plus 30, you get 45. 45, then you subtract 45, you subtract it to 2, there you're going to get negative 43. Of course, divide by negative 15, negative 15, the value of x is 43 over 15. The value of x is 43 over 15. That is all, dear students. We go to question number 16. From the following figure, prove that triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC. Prove that triangle ABC, this triangle here, is similar to triangle EDC. So actually we know that if two triangles are similar, it means the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. and also their corresponding angles are equal. So first of all, we can check here. We have seen that this angle here equals to this angle. They are vertically opposite angles. And because this line AB is parallel to DE, so this angle here will be equal to this angle here. And eventually the third angle also will be the same. So we can say that in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, actually angle ACB equals to angles ECD. They are vertically opposite angles. They are vertically opposite angles. And also BAC equals to EDC, and the reason, first of all, it is that we were given that AB is parallel to ED. AB is parallel to ED, and so they form actually alternate angles. And because these two angles are equal, the third angle is going to be also the same, which means this angle here now will be equal to this angle, with the same reason that CED, okay, we start with the other side, that CAB, actually CAB will be now equal to CAB will be equal to CED, and the reason is AB is parallel to ED, of course, so they form alternate angles. So we can say that now, I'm sorry, there is minor problem. So we can say that triangle, there is minor technical problem, I'm sorry for that. So we can conclude now that we can say that therefore triangle ABC is similar to triangle EDC, and the reason is that all angles are actually equal within those two triangles. Corresponding angles are equal, and because of that, actually, two triangles are similar. Question number 17. A ladder which is 13-meter long rests against a wall such that its top is 5 meters up the wall. Calculate the distance between the foot and the ladder. Calculate the distance between the foot of a ladder and the wall. So we have a wall. This is our wall. This is our wall. and we were given a ladder here. So this is our ladder. And our ladder is 13-meter long. And the height of wall is 5 meter. We are supposed to find the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall, x. So by using Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem, (13 square will be equal to x square plus 5 square). 169 equals to x square plus 25. X square will be 169 minus 25. X square will be 144. So xc will be square root of 144, which is 12 meters. So the distance between the foot of the ladder and the wall is 12 meters, dear students. We go to question number 18. A company got a profit of 67,459,551 after selling its product this year. How much did the company get to the nearest hundreds? So to the nearest hundreds, we are going to approximate actually 67 million 459,551. This is approximately equal to 67,459,600. It is approximated to hundreds, of course. Question number 19. Juma's monthly salary of 900,000 shillings was spent as shown in the figure below. Building, school fees, saving, and others. How much money did he spend on savings? So first of all, I think we have to get the angle corresponding to savings. So you are going to say that 90 degree plus 50 degree plus 165 degrees plus 80 degrees, the total degrees will be 360. So 90 plus 50, it is 50 degree, plus 165, we get 305 degrees plus 80 degrees equals to 360. So XC will be 360 minus will be 360 minus 305. So XC will be 55 degrees. So now we can say that 7, it is 55 degrees divided by 360 degrees multiplied by 900,000 shilling. When you do that, you are going to take 900 times 55 divided by 360. When you simplify there, the saving amount will be 137,500. So that is the amount Juma is going to spend for saving. Question number 20. Question number 20. Question number 20. We are supposed to rationalize the denominator of the expression 4 root 3 divided by root 5 plus root 3. You are going to say that 4 root 3 over root 5 plus root 3 multiplied by root 5 minus root 3 divide here by root 5 minus root 3. You are going to open the bracket. It is 4 root 3 times root 5, so you get 4 root 15 minus 4 root 3 times root 3 will be 4 times 3 divide by this is square root of 5 square minus square root of 3 squares. Why? Because these two expressions are related to difference of two squares, whereby if you have a square minus b square, this is a plus b, a minus b. So equals to 4 in the bracket root 15 minus 3 over 5 minus 3, which is 2. You can simplify now by 2 1 by 2 2. So the final result is 2 in the bracket root 15 minus 3. So this is section A of Necta 2020. We are coming to the end of this session. The coming session we will be discussing the last 5 questions of section B. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best in your studies.